Let me start with the truth. Sales is not broken because people are bad. Sales is broken because humans are still doing repetitive manual execution. Salespeople are hired to close deals. Instead, they spend most of their time researching accounts, writing emails, chasing follow-ups, fixing CRMs, and qualifying leads that should never enter the pipeline. That is slow. That is expensive. And that is exactly why revenue stalls. Cervoa exists to replace that execution. Cervoa is not a tool. It is not software. Cervoa is an end-to-end agentic AI sales engine that replaces how sales execution happens. Everything in Cervoa starts with audience intelligence. Most sales systems rely on outdated signals. They update slowly, sometimes quarterly, sometimes yearly. They tell you what already happened. Cervoa works differently. Cervoa continuously understands who is likely to buy, why they will buy, and when to act. It tracks buying propensity, real intent, decision urgency, psychographic behavior, organizational pressure, and timing windows. Cervoa does not ask who you can sell to. It tells you who is about to decide right now. Once those accounts are identified, Cervoa executes. Email outreach is generated automatically, but not from templates. Every message is built using real context, the company situation, the buyer role, and the pressure they are experiencing. Sequencing is not time-based. It is logic-based. If urgency increases, sequences compress. If timing changes, messaging changes. Then comes the most critical moment. When buyer intent crosses a threshold, Cervoa's AI voice agents take over. They call prospects naturally. They qualify seriousness. They handle first-level objections. They confirm authority and urgency. And they book meetings only when the deal is real. If it is not real, your team never sees it. Your sales team steps into conversations that are already qualified, already informed, and already aligned. They stop chasing. They stop convincing. They close. Cervoa does not replace judgment. It replaces repetition. Humans still close deals. Cervoa ensures humans only spend time where judgment matters. Cervoa does not help sales teams work harder. Cervoa replaces execution.